What the
Oh,
shit?
you fucking boy.
Keep throwing up in it.
Dude, I was like almost a half quart.
You fill it back up all 4 bottles right now.
How much do you want to drink? You want to taste it?
Oh, no way.
Oh! Swallow it! Swallow it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Keep going! Keep going! Come on! Come on! Come on! You got it. You're good.
And finish it.
Shit.
Yeah. Enough of that.
Barbara, you're my fucking hero.